as you all know, YouTube channel and YouTube channel का वो एक पेटेंट होता है ना, मेकअप लुक्स. So yeah, so I decided. बहुत लोग मुझे पूछते रहते हैं रोज कि आप कौन से शेड की लिपस्टिक लगाते हो, what do you use for your foundation and how do you manage to look natural yet pretty yet no makeup look. So that's what I'm trying to do today. Today I'm going to tell you how I do my routine makeup. Every day का थोड़ा बहुत, you know, meeting people here and there, going for meetings. मुझे generally रोज इतना heavy makeup करना बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद है. And shoots पे भी जो मैं करती हूँ, because they ask me to do it. Otherwise, if you ask Divya is someone who's very simple. So she likes simple makeup, and let's start with it. Yeah. So as you all can see, my face, this is like all natural. For the first time, I'm coming like totally without makeup. मेरा YouTube channel है, थोड़ा बहुत तो मुझे भी करना चाहिए. So this is something exclusive for you guys. This is all without makeup. So I'll tell you first the problem areas of my face. That is my under eyes, a little bit of my under eyes. Then I think yeah, that's it. Otherwise I'm perfect. Anyway, so ये under eyes का मेरा issue होता है हर बार. So I just try to cover these and enhance a little bit of my eyebrows because ये थोड़ा सा when I used to stay in Dubai, if you all know, तो वहाँ पे I used to see all the Arab women. They used to, you know, elaborate and accentuate their eyebrows. तो मैंने सोचा चलो I'll carry that. So मैं वो भी करती हूँ. And let's see now if I start off with my face is always moisturized. I use a lot of moisturizers and stuff. So coming to the skincare, that is a separate segment which I'll do with you guys later on. But then this is just the makeup. So yeah, I'm prepping my skin for moisturizers. फिलहाल के लिए just because I have my eye problems, so I use a little bit of cream which is specially designed for my eyes. So for anybody's eyes, I mean. But then yeah, this is I'll tell you the brand and stuff later. But then this is just for my eyes. So I take this cream a little bit and just dab it under my eyes, around. So this skin tone which I have under my eyes is something I can't help it. That's like a hereditary issue. So yeah, कोई बात नहीं. Makeup has all the solutions. Anyway, this is the Clinique foundation I use. There are good things in it. For example, it has SPF 15, which is a normal sunscreen for your daily use. So this is a very mild foundation which I use. So I first dab it around my eyes. So whenever you have to do something below the eyes, you always have to look up so that you get good space to do that. I look like a retard right now, but it's okay. अब नहीं हो तुम लोग. Anyway, so the remaining, I just dab it over my skin so that I don't waste any time. And I use it around my eyes. Very light hands you have to use. You don't have to like do to your face. Just very light. Guys, you all don't have to worry. All the products what I'm using, I'll be putting a nice description below my video so that you know you all can try those products and use it, and if you feel like buy it. And also कोई brand sponsorship नहीं है इसमें. This is like something I use it for my own purposes. So no brand sponsorship or no collaboration with everyone. And try to take skin tones which are really matching. You know, I have seen people using foundations एक shade lighter. I mean, that's not needed. It looks really bad. No matter what your skin tone is, you know, just if you embrace it with the same color, it looks beautiful. After the foundation, now everybody uses different technique or you know, method, yeah, procedure you can say, steps you can say. So I know a lot of people would be like, हाँ ये step पहले नहीं था, ये step पहले होना चाहिए. But then for me, I think this goes well. So yeah. So I use contour palette. This is Kat Von D's Shade Plus Light. So it has almost all the shades for my contouring. Again, I don't contour my face too much because then it looks like, which I don't like. I like little chubby face. So what I do is So there is a slight what you can say, there's a slight dip here in the face if you feel it. So you have to just rightly place that dip here. So this was your face. Now coming to your jawline. If your jawline is really good, still just try and take one shade up from your skin tone and just one shade darker from your skin tone and just border that thing. That's it. Girls with a butt chin, one benefit. So you just apply a little bit in the dip. Face contouring done. Now, also my problem area, my nose. My nose is like straight from here and it's round from here like a clown. So what do I do is I shape it a little bit. Because, then people tease me with a round nose. So yeah, so it's beautiful though. So I just take a little bit with my finger like that and just to place it somewhere like this. See the difference? Obviously I'm going to smudge it, but yes. So the base and the contouring is done. So now, so usually what happens, people use foundation and then they apply a lot of powder and then they start the procedure with contouring. So the more things you add on your face, it becomes a layer. So वो और layer up हो it becomes very thick on your face and then you feel very heavy. कभी ऐसा लगता होगा that you go out for an event or some wedding or something, you have so much makeup on you. When you come home, you just want to wash your face and just relax, on your bed. So वो जो light feeling आती है ना, that is because you've used a lot of makeup on your face. So a lot of layering is not needed if your skin is good and if it's stain free or pimple free. You don't need so much of layering. You just need a little bit of touch up and then you're done. So that's what I do. So I use contour powders rather than contour creams or contour foundations, like dark foundations. I don't use dark foundations for my contouring. I use dark powders, which are contouring powders, and that's it. I just use foundation, then the contour, and now just to powder my face like how everybody does, I just use a little bit of MAC Studio Fix. For me, this works very well. So jitna under eyes mein, if I feel like the foundation has not done the job correctly or it, you need to add on more, so instead of adding on more, I just use the Studio Fix powder under my eye so that it locks the foundation which I've applied on my face. So now, because this is a daily look, I am not using products which have shimmer. So I anyways ignore shimmer. It's only the highlight. That is not shimmer. That is something different. So that's a very mild blush on there. So people use blush on differently. They use it like they round it up, or I have a habit of putting it like that, like a stroke here with my contour. That matches my face. I don't know about your face. Now time for eyebrows. This is something I love. So eyebrows, so this is the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. Actually this is an eyeshadow palette, but this is a secret. I use it for my eyebrows too because there's this Triple Fudge shade which matches my eyebrow color. So now eyebrows, you might have seen people using pitch dark black that looks like a stab on your face, like ऐसा लगता है पता नहीं क्या black color का पूरा mark है, looks like marker से किया है. So always use a little brownish tones or something that matches your hair color. Now my hair color is brown with highlights and stuff. So if I use pitch dark jet black eyebrows, it look very bad, or maybe it will look like too flashy, like एकदम से आँख में आ जाए. I want to look natural again. So yeah, so the Triple Fudge shade. School में हम सब ने drawing painting की है. Same technique. What do I do is, I haven't done makeup professionally, guys. So what I do is, I just put a border down there. border it up ways and then fill in the blanks. Yeah. At times तुम्हारे eyebrows अलग अलग हो जाते हैं. So this is also wrong. Any makeup artist watching my video, please do not judge me. Please do not judge me. Don't give me your professional tipney in the comments because this is something I just do it. I'm not a professional. मैं ये करने लगूँगी तो आप क्या करोगे? Now so I need to check what I did. I did my foundation, I did my contouring, I did my blush, I did my eyebrows, and what do I do next? So this is according to my choice. Nothing like I do this. This is something I do it. हाँ पहले ये कर लेते वो कर लेते हैं. Of course the foundation comes first. And then let me do the mascara. Okay, the mascara's name is a little bit odd, but it's by Too Faced. Better than SEX. Too Faced mascara. I would not like to tell them. Oh, ये step तो बाद में था. Mascara से पहले you have to do your eyeshadow. Of course, yes. How can I forget? Wait. So, okay, your eyeshadows. Now, eyeshadows in the day, please do not put shimmer in the day. It looks very weird. As a professional artist, I'm telling you, not as a makeup artist. Shoot पे depend करता है, but then if you're just going out just to hang around with your friends, do not put shimmer eyeshadows. And let me tell you, I'll give you a tip. Boyfriends or your guys who are your friends, they don't like you in too much of makeup. So keep it normal. Am I right? Yeah. See, there's a guy shooting with me. Also said Vedant is shooting with me. So he also doesn't like much of makeup. So I use a light brown eyeshadow, very light, close to my skin tone, just to give a lift, just to give little definition. So I use it here. If you see this, I don't know now what's that called. You can Google it. But okay. So I do it. ये जो corner होता है ना, अभी इसको पता नहीं क्या बोलते हैं तुम लोग के makeup language में, but ये जो corner होता है ना, ये तो ये जो मैं makeup कर रही हूँ, ये मेरे जो 10 साल का जो मेरा modeling, acting, dancing, जितने भी time 10 साल में मैंने इतना जो किया है काम, उसमें जो लोग मेरा मेकअप करते थे, just used to watch them, you know, मैं देखती थी कैसे कर रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं. फिर कभी कभी उनका सर भी खाती थी कि ये क्यों लगाया आपने, वो क्यों लगाया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब मुझे पहली बार कॉन्टोरिंग के बारे में पता चला था, लाइक वो दिस कैन चेंज माई नोज, दिस कैन चेंज माई फेस विदाउट एनी सर्जरी. सो ऑलमोस्ट हो चुका है सब. नाउ इज द टाइम फॉर मस्कारा. Now again a problem area. पहले मैंने कहा था कि ज़्यादा problems नहीं है, but है थोड़े हैं. मेरे eyelashes भी कम है, मेरी पूरी body में बाल कम है, हाथ पे आते ही नहीं है. सिर्फ सर के बाल अच्छे थोड़े, luckily, thanks mom, सरदारनी. So yeah, बाकी eyes पे थोड़े lashes कम है, so I like to put a lot of mascara. इधर वैसे doll eyes लगती है उसके बाद. Difference देख रहे हो? Now it's the time for highlighters. Cute, the balm. तो मैं बुक स्टाइल में है ये cute सा highlighter. So highlighters are usually to just uplift the bone areas which you feel like now cheekbones. So you just put it here. तो शाइन आती तो ऐसा लगता है ओह cheekbones कितने अच्छे हैं. ठीक है. देन थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे. देन जो हमने नोज कॉन्टोरिंग की थी, if you remember, so I just use my ring finger and just apply it all over the nose like that. Shines. वो जो ऐसे आप ब्लॉगर्स और ये सबको देखते हो ना, जो मेकअप आर्टिस्ट वगैरह, you know, उनके ऐसे नोज ऐसे शाइन होती है ऐसे टिप पे. So they use these highlighters and they use it here as well to lift your eyebrow bone. थोड़ा. The last and my favorite step, and I'm very proud about it. I love my lips, and लिप्स के लिए usually I put nude colors every day. So this color, all of you have asked me a lot of times which is your lip shade. Now lip shade, this one is Deborah Milano. This is some fluid velvet matte lipstick. Okay, इतना तो मैंने भी नहीं कभी पढ़ा था, मेरे को सिर्फ शेड पसंद आया, मैंने ले लिया. So I usually search for lip shades. So if I go for makeup shopping, I don't care about कौन सा ब्रांड है. फाउंडेशन का yes, because वो स्किन पे सबसे पहले लगता है, so मुझे उसके लिए टेंशन होती है. But then for other things चलेगा, कुछ भी चलेगा, whatever, it's okay, yeah, fine. But for lip shades, I search like a hunter. This shade is my favorite. Usually I take these sort of lipsticks because number one, they are matte. Number two, they last longer. Number three, when you apply them, you don't need pencils and then lip brush or do something like that. तो ये फटाफट काम हो जाता है. And the last step to put everything together is, of course, your smile. But before that, Max Makeup Fixer. You must have seen this everywhere when they use it. So tada! So this is my entire makeup look. And जब भी तुम लोग मुझे देखते हो यहाँ वहाँ मैं भाग रही होती हूँ, या कॉफी या मीटिंग्स या वॉक या कहीं पे भी, this is my normal makeup what I use every day. This is my everyday makeup. And thanks for watching me, and I'm sorry all the makeup artists if you guys think that something has gone wrong professionally. I'll try and fix it. I'll learn it from you. Just comment whatever it is, and बेइज्जती नहीं करना, प्यार से बात करना. All the girls out there, you all don't need to buy expensive products. Just buy what suits you, suits your pocket, and just take care of your skin. I'll be coming up with a skin routine very soon. Bye!